To discuss about welcome back. Today I am going to discuss about the optional tuple return type in function. Optional tuple return type in function. Today I am going to discuss about optional tuple return type in a function. What is optional tuple? If the tuple type to be returned from a function. If the tuple type to be returned from a function has the potential to have no value for the entire tuple, you can use an optional tuple return type to reflect the fact that the entire tuple can be nil. You can write off optional tuple return type. I have an example. So first of all, then we are going to create a function. I'm going to create a function topper student. Topper student is topper, which is type of string. Is topper which is type of string, and this is the return statement of string. And we can return a tuple optional. Tuple, this is the string and string string and integers. We can use optional. Return type. So then we are going to create a if statement. If we can access of stopper equal to this is string of hello. So return then we are going to do two instruments. So return is a string, return is a tuple. This is a tuple. String is a first division. And first division and 82 marks, 82%. We can use first, and otherwise it's enough. Otherwise it's nil. We can use optional tuple type. This is a tuple return. This is a tuple return. We can use return of nil statement. So our declaration function is complete. Declaration, we can use declaration. Then we are going to create a print statement. Topper student. We can topper student. Then we are going to create a first. This is the string, match of our string. We can use nil. Otherwise we can use print of tuple and otherwise optional is first. And this is the optional. We can use this is the optional. Is a other default value is a empty. We can use remove optional. This is the first division and 82. We can use first and last. We can run. Our result is nil. And this is our return is nil statement. This is we can remove empty string. Our return nil statement is nil. Thank you for watching this video. Use of optional tuple return statement.